All right, today we're gonna bring a fan replacement for your PlayStation 5. Ours just gave out, and some of these manufacturers are pretty good, some are not, depends on the usage. But this one, so far, we're gonna test it out and see how it works. It comes with thermal paste, which I don't know why they give you thermal paste, because this thing does not require thermal paste. They do give you a tool to remove the actual existing fan. It's just a matter of just disconnecting it and go ahead and unscrew the edges. So it's very simple to actually replace the fan. All you got to do is make sure you take not this other side, but this side of the fan. All right, it's where the actual M.2 goes. This is kind of glued on, but all you got to do is just pick it up a little bit. All right, so all you got to do is remove the actual clip that goes in there, which is this is the connection. This is the actual fan that we're going to connect. All right, so that's pretty much it. What you got to do. But before we do that, we're gonna unplug these, and you can remove these too. I'm just gonna remove this temporary as well. That's it. That's pretty much it. Take off this part. Fan comes off. This is the fan. Simple replacement. All right, while you have it open, you can always get your most powerful fan and clean it out. There's an actual radiator inside, and my recommendation is clean that if you have an option. Powerful. Oh shit. This thing's super strong. All right, so we're gonna put the fan back on, and the way it works is very simple. You grab your new fan, which is this is the old one, and this thing is just died out on us. I see why, and you could hear it. It's uneven. If you guys could hear it, it's just uneven, and this thing's loose too. So we could take a look at that later, some other time. But today we're gonna plug this. We're gonna set this up. Find the connection, and there's some indentation. You just drop it in there. That's pretty much it. If you guys see that, there's a couple of things you do, and then this cable goes here. I'm gonna run it, put it back. And that's it. We're gonna put all the screws back. Now that we have it completed, I went to go ahead and test it out, and I confirmed that it was spinning. So all the connections, everything came out like it's supposed to. Now it's time to lock it in place and set it up. Now this is the old one, if you guys can see. So it was like it was hitting, it burned out because it's like it keeps hitting one of the areas, and it gets stuck. So eventually it burned out the engine. You can still replace it. It's just the only matter, look at how loose it is. It's not supposed to do that. So the shocks went out and it burned out. So easy to replace, a couple steps. Hope you guys enjoy the video.